conditions remaining bullish in this bull market. Current bull market rank is sitting at 26.50, which represents this momentum line here currently as we are in the upper end of this bull market, the upper end of this current trend as well. We're seeing momentum continue to be strong now, also seeing breadth improving and continuing also to be in that upper range, and sentiment starting to push its way back towards that 100 level and above. If we take a look at buy-sell ratio, seeing some nice strength here, also starting to improve, 1.66 on the buy-sell ratio, green above red, getting bulls a little bit more in charge here at these levels. We're seeing S&P 500 continuing its breakout move right here around that 572 range, and now pushing its way up into that extreme area where we could see some kind of a retracement, pulling back to, we'd be watching this watching this 577 location on S&P 500. We're seeing the NASDAQ also continuing to have some strength, going to run into some resistance here at these levels where we're at currently, 500 to 503, and Dow also plowing its way to new highs and all-time highs here as well. So market conditions looking good, getting some strength right here, and we're seeing sectors also improving. We take a look at this perspective, we're seeing nothing in that downtrend zone now. We're seeing about half and half in holds and buys, so also seeing strength across the board in sectors, and gold continuing to make its move, pulling back just slightly yesterday, really in a flat indecision type day. Silver not quite back into that momentum zone yet, and USO having a little bit of weakness here, down 2%, as it's attempting to get its continuation on this current rally as well. If we jump over and take a look at some of the stocks in the muscle stock group, two stocks to point out here today. We've got Vistra Energy, which has been a really high flyer here. If we look at the past year on this stock, you can see just how strong it has been in this overall uptrend. A massive run up from 40 to 100, and a pretty significant pullback, and has been running straight up ever since then as well. So a little bit of a pullback into some support, potential for some continuation of that trend on Vistra Energy. And also taking a look here at IGMS, which isn't quite up into that momentum zone, but solid confirmation bar after a pretty significant retracement and pullback around this, after having a big run up, pull back into that 12 to 14 range as far as some support, and getting back up above that level. You can see lots of topping tail bars right here as well, though, so lots of resistance, but could see some strength if it could break through those levels. Certainly want to keep an eye on IGMS. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.